Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a lock on Snapchat step by step. Now this is perfect if you want extra privacy so that nobody can open your Snapchat without your permission. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So here you have two different options of using lock on Snapchat. So in most of the Android phones, you will get the app lock option by default. But if you don't have it, you can download the app lock application from Google Play Store or App Store. So here in my device, I already have the app lock feature available. So let me show you how you can access that first. So you need to open the settings of your device. In your settings, you need to simply look for the option of apps. In the apps, you are going to see the option of app locker. When you tap on the option of app locker, it is going to first of all ask you for your fingerprints or your face ID or for your password. So after providing that, it is going to show you all of the applications that you can basically lock. So among these, you need to simply look for Snapchat. So here you are going to see Snapchat here. So when you are able to find it, simply turn the toggle button on right next to it and it will be added here in the logged section. So here, as you can see, you need to first of all turn on app lock so that all of the applications could enabled for locking. Now scroll down and turn the toggle button on right next to Snapchat. Now as you can see, if I tap on the option of logged, it is saying that your Snapchat application is now logged. Even if you open it, you need to provide the passcode or fingerprint in order to launch it. So this is how you can put lock on Snapchat app. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.